we've actually forgotten what it means to be racist. And before we started that frivolous nonsense, our only view of a racist were these rabid, disgusting, vengeful, grotesque people in our movies who were beating and raping and pillaging black people in America. I'm not saying that that didn't happen, but I'm saying that that was our only imagery. So what it does in the hearts of generations of black Americans is it associates that type of mentality with whiteness, and then you have brewing hatred and bitterness that just grows in a generation, more generations of people. It grows unchecked. It wasn't pastured. It wasn't shepherded in people. People weren't called out in that mentality. They weren't called out in their covetousness and their hatred and their sinfulness. As a matter of fact, we got to a point where people were being celebrated and revered for being criminals because of this hatred and this bitterness.